Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to boil acorn squash. First, select a good squash. Look for one that feels heavy for its size and has a dull, dark green skin without any soft spots. Next, give your squash a good wash under cool, running water. This helps remove any dirt or debris from the skin before you start cutting. It's a simple but important first step for a clean and delicious meal. Now let's get to cutting. Place the squash on a stable surface and carefully cut it in half lengthwise. A sharp, sturdy knife is key here. Once you have two halves, grab a spoon. You'll use this to scoop out all the seeds and the stringy pulp from the center. Discard these parts, leaving a clean cavity in each half, ready for the next step. For boiling, place your squash halves cut side down in a large pot. Add about 1 inch of water to the bottom of the pot. Bring the water to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when a fork easily pierces the tender flesh. Once cooked, carefully remove the hot squash halves from the pot. Be sure to drain any excess water. Now comes the fun part, mashing. Use a fork or spoon to scoop out the soft, tender flesh. You can mash it directly in the shell or transfer it to a bowl. Add a pat of butter, a sprinkle of brown sugar, or a pinch of salt and pepper for a delightful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.